Hi everybody, I'm Tara Betker from Just Call Me Homegirl, and this video is generously sponsored by Lundia USA. Today I'm taking you through the full process from ordering to what comes in the box, install, and my full honest review of the Lundia Closet System. So let's get started. Creating your closet system is very simple. Head to lundiausa.com and click Create Closet. You'll start with a starter frame, then depending on the dimensions of your closet, you can add on additional upgrades. Once those are ordered, you can pick your components that you want in your closet. You can have hang bars, shelves, drawers, tie racks, accessory drawers, and more. Add those to your cart, pick your finishes and your pulls, and you're ready to check out. And if you need help, they offer a free design service as well. So when you receive your Lundia delivery at your door, what's really great is every single box is marked of what's in the box. So when you go to put your closet system together, you don't have to go rifling through each box to see what's in there. So the first thing you'll see are the instructions. They come with the freestanding kit instructions. If you order drawers, they come with those. The L bracket installation instructions. Everything that you need is on these papers. You also have the hardware kit box clearly labeled. And inside, you have all the tools that you will need, which is only an Allen wrench, which they provide. And they also provide an Allen wrench drill bit to put in your drill. I have the painted white closet system, so they actually included a painted white marker for any touch-ups that I may need. It comes with all the hardware that you'll need to put your system together. So join me as I install our new Lundia USA Closet System. The starter frame in and one add-on frame, and now it's time to put the components into the shelving. Our drawers, our hang bars, and our shelves. This closet system for about a month and a half now, and I wanted to give you my full honest review. My honest review about this closet, it's awesome. I love how sturdy it is, how customizable it is. Because my daughter is only 3 years old, we know that these hanging bars are going to need to come down as she gets older. The shelves can be moved depending on her needs. If we wanted to add more drawers, we just order them. It's a simple hole and pin system. You just move the pins to the hole that you need. It's so simple. The closet system install was so easy. The instructions were clear. The hardware was very clearly marked. All the tools that you needed were right in the box as well. After putting it together, I noticed how sturdy that this closet system really is. Because it's made from 100% real wood, you can't get a better quality closet. The drawers are dovetailed on the sides And also, it's not a really fast close, so I don't need to worry about my daughter's fingers getting caught at all. The shelves are very well in place. They're not popping up or moving depending on where you're putting the weight on them. They don't shift at all. So I designed this closet myself, picked out all the components myself, but Lundia USA actually offers a free design service if that's something that you need. So I hope this video gave you a little insight to the Lundia USA Closet System and why I love it so much and how easy it was to install. So if you have any questions, leave them below, or you can visit my blog post for more in-depth discussion. You can also visit Lundia USA and their social media for more information there.